Hello my dear students, welcome to today's video. So today is the fifth part of our chapter 2, that is acids, bases and salts. In this part we will study about two important salts, their preparation, properties and uses. So those who have not seen the previous videos about class 2, that is acids, bases and salts, please go to the link provided and watch it, so you will get a continuity. So let's go to the video. So today's topic is about sodium bicarbonate. We know that in our last video we have discussed about sodium hydroxide, which is an important compound, and today we are going to discuss about sodium bicarbonate, which is known as baking soda. Let's see. Sodium bicarbonate, which is known as baking soda. All of you may know about the name as baking soda. This sodium bicarbonate, it is also known as sodium hydrogen carbonate because its chemical formula is NaHCO3. Sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. Okay, let's go to the preparation. It is prepared by passing carbon dioxide gas through a aqueous solution of sodium chloride saturated with ammonia. Okay, so we can write the equation as NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 plus NH3, that is passing carbon dioxide gas through an aqueous solution of sodium chloride saturated with ammonia. The products we get are baking soda NaHCO3 plus ammonium chloride NH4Cl. Okay, so this is the easy way to prepare sodium bicarbonate by passing carbon dioxide through aqueous solution of sodium chloride saturated with ammonia. Clear? Simple process. Okay, now let's move to the properties of sodium bicarbonate. The properties of sodium bicarbonate are very simple. It has got some 3 to 4 properties, important properties. The first thing is that it is a white crystalline solid. Okay, sodium bicarbonate is a white crystalline solid. Okay, second one, it dissolves in water and its aqueous solution is alkaline in nature. That means pH greater than 7. So it's dissolved in water and its alkaline and its aqueous solution is alkaline in nature. Then the third point is that it is considered as a mild non-corrosive base. It is a mild non-corrosive base. Okay, non-corrosive base. Now its fourth property, that is very important. When we heat sodium bicarbonate, upon heating, this sodium bicarbonate get decomposed to give us sodium carbonate. Yes, so when you heat sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3, this will get decomposed to give sodium carbonate Na2CO3 plus H2O. Clear my dear students? Okay, these are the important properties of our sodium bicarbonate. Now let's see its uses. There are 3 important uses of sodium bicarbonate. They are, first one, the most important commercial use. It is used in making baking powder. Used in making baking powder. Then you may have a doubt here. Baking powder. whether this baking soda and baking powder, is there any difference in that? Is there, my dear students? Yes, there is a difference in baking soda and baking powder. I will tell you what it is. Baking soda is sodium bicarbonate, but baking powder is what? Baking powder consists of two things: baking soda as well as an edible acid like a tartaric acid or citric acid. I will tell you what is the use of including that edible acid in baking powder. We know what is the main use of baking powder. It is commonly used in confectionaries, bakery products. Is it? What is the reason for that? Because to get more crispiness, to get the cake more fluffy, isn't it? These are the main objective to add baking powder in bakery products. When you heat the dough which is prepared for making the cake, what will happen? This baking powder will also get heated. As we have seen that in the properties, when baking soda is heated, it will convert into sodium carbonate, and while heating it will give out carbon dioxide gas. Because of carbon dioxide gas which is produced, and this carbon dioxide will try to escape out. Because of that, the small dough of cake will rise and it will looks like a big one. Now what will happen? This sodium carbonate which is produced after this reaction will remain there, and it will be neutralized by the presence of edible acid inside baking powder. If it is not there, the cake will taste like bitter. So I hope it is clear to all of you. Clear? Now second one is very easy, that is we have already learned. It is used in antacids. It is used in antacid tablets. We know what is meant by antacid tablets. So the main uses of baking soda are: it is used in making baking powder, it is used in antacid tablets, and it is used in fire extinguishers. All of you know what is a fire extinguisher? So dear students, we have seen about the preparation, properties as well as uses of our baking soda. Our next topic is washing soda. Let us see about washing soda. Washing soda is commonly found in three ways or three forms. They are sodium carbonate, this is known as soda ash, and another one is sodium carbonate monohydrate, and another one is sodium carbonate decahydrate. This is the most commonly found form of sodium carbonate. So it is known as washing soda. That is our next topic. Clear? So three forms are there. One is soda ash without any water molecule. One is having a one water molecule, that is known as sodium carbonate monohydrate. Another one with 10 water molecules, which is known as washing soda. Is it clear? So let's move to the preparation. It is prepared by a process known as solvite process. This process is very important. You have to remember it. It is prepared by a process known as solvite process. This solvite process is very easy to remember, because those who are knowing the preparation of baking soda, which we have studied now, the first step is same for this washing soda also, because this solvite process is take place in three steps. The first step is same as we have seen in the preparation of baking soda, that is through a aqueous solution of sodium chloride saturated with ammonia, we will pass carbon dioxide gas. Then you know what are the products obtained. They are sodium bicarbonate as well as ammonium chloride will form. The sodium bicarbonate which is obtained after this reaction will filtered, dried and ignited. Okay, when you collect the sodium bicarbonate after the reaction, which will pass through filter paper and which is dried and ignited, then what the second process is there. What will happen when you ignite this collected filtered? What will happen? This will get decomposed to form Na2CO3, that is called a sodium carbonate plus carbon dioxide plus water. Okay, that is the second step. So what we got here? We got Na2CO3, which is soda ash. And the third step, we will do the recrystallization of Na2CO3 with 10 molecules of water. When you do the recrystallization of Na2CO3 with 10 molecules of water, what will happen? We will get Na2CO3 dot 10 H2O. Yes, my dear students, don't think that it is a very long, huge equations are there, so it will be very difficult. No, it is very easy. You can just study, so you can just link both the preparation, that is of baking soda as well as washing soda. So if you know the first step, it is easy for you. In the first step, you are getting NaHCO3, filter it, dry it and ignite. Then you will see the decomposition of it. Then you will get soda ash plus carbon dioxide plus water. The collected soda ash will get recrystallization again. Then you will get Na2CO3.10H2O, that is our washing soda. Is it clear? Now we will move to the properties. Its properties are many, but we have to study 4 important properties of washing soda. As usual, the first one, all of you know that it is a transparent crystalline solid. Okay, it is a transparent crystalline solid. And the main thing related to it is that it consists of 10 molecules of water of crystallization, and we call it as a decahydrate. Okay, 10 molecules of water of crystallization is there. Now its second property, it is soluble in water and its aqueous solution is alkaline in nature. Its aqueous solution will alkaline in nature. Now its third property is very important. All of you should remember. It is an efflorescence. It is having an efflorescent property. Efflorescence. What is meant by this efflorescence? When washing soda is kept open in air for a long time, it will lose its 9 molecules of water of crystallization and it will become another form of washing soda which we have discussed in the beginning, that is Na2CO3.H2O, that is sodium carbonate monohydrate. Let's see the equation of the reaction. That is, when you kept open this crystals of washing soda in air, it will slowly lose its 9 molecules of water of crystallization and we will get Na2CO3.H2O, which is known as sodium carbonate monohydrate. Is it clear? Now its fourth property. The fourth property is that when washing soda is heated above 373 Kelvin, we have seen that when it is heated normally, when a compound is heated, it will get decomposed. But in the case of washing soda, when it is heated above 373 Kelvin, what will happen? It will lose its all molecules of water of crystallization and it will become anhydrous washing soda, which is known as soda ash. Okay, when it is heated above 373 Kelvin, it will lose its all molecules of water of crystallization and it will become anhydrous sodium carbonate, which is known as what? Which is known as soda ash. Okay, this is known as soda ash. So these are the properties of washing soda: transparent crystalline solid, alkaline in nature, yeah, they are efflorescent, and they will lose its all molecules of water of crystallization when it is heated above 373 Kelvin. So now let us see the uses. The first use is it is used for washing purposes in laundry. Okay, for washing purposes in laundry. Second use is that it is mainly used for softening of hard water. You know that what is meant by hard water? It is used for softening of hard water. For softening hard water, we are using washing soda. Another use of washing soda is that it is used in the manufacture of many useful products like glass, soap, paper, etc. So in the production of all these useful products, this is used as a raw material. Another use of washing soda is that it is used in petroleum refining. We have already seen in the case of previous one, that is of sodium hydroxide. It is also used in petroleum refining. And another use of washing soda is that the important one which we can say, it is used as a reagent in our laboratory, a chemical reagent in our laboratory. Another use of washing soda which we can mention here as it is used in the manufacture of a sodium product like borax. Borax is a sodium product. So for the preparation of borax, washing soda is used. Is it clear? Okay. So these are some of the uses. There are many uses which we can write, but we are mentioning only some of the important uses of washing soda. Clear? So my dear students, in this video you have learned about washing soda as well as baking soda. I hope whatever things you have seen through this video is given you a better knowledge, a better information regarding them. So please watch the videos for more information about chapter 2. Thank you.